Hi, it's Kelly Francis. This is my final reflection for MIT812. My final project is a project over inventions on the Industrial Revolution. My overall objectives, I want the students to be able to display the knowledge that they gain through research and through that research, be able to tell reliable sources while collecting that research and to present on either a poster, video, animation, or a drawing. I want to encourage them to use more of the media rather than the good old-fashioned paper poster. Within the project itself, the students have to determine or tell me what the invention is, what it was used for, or how it was used, and how it is important to today's society. Like we have the modern assembly line, which began during the Revolution, and so those sorts of things. The reflection of this project, my thought process always evolves throughout, and since we have yet to actually do this project, I know I'll be continuously thinking about what I need to do to improve this project and other things. Make other tweaks, how hopefully perfect it before my students actually get to do this. The standards I felt that matched well with this project was what the students had to do. The first one, 6D, comes through the creative communicator, which is to publish or present the content, customizes the message and medium for their intended audience. Their audience is going to be their peers in the classroom. The 3 is the knowledge constructor. And that goes with finding that information, making sure it's a reliable source, and being able to put it into their project. My big concept is not being afraid of allowing my 5th graders to do these kinds of projects. When they come to 5th grade, they're coming to my class without having a lot of technology experience. I know teachers might use iPads and Promethean boards over at the elementary, but when they come up here to the middle school in 5th grade, we don't have that stuff. We do have laptops and whatnot, but they haven't worked with, word processors or anything to create a big project. And I usually save big projects and stuff for 6th graders instead of starting off in 5th grade, and I'm not really sure why. I think it has to do with I'm kind of scared, honestly. So I really want to release the reins and let my 5th graders experience technology, because my 6th graders absolutely enjoy doing projects at the beginning of each chapter in history, and so letting 5th graders experience that too would be something great. So yeah, that's my big takeaway. Thank you.